we're not going to search it. We're just making sure, trying to figure out what's going on. But obviously you're recording, so I wouldn't imagine. No. Because then you kind of snitch yourself out if you did, right?
Right. I have there's pepper spray in there, but
that's fine.
These guys wanted this kind of response, guys. That's how it goes. There's 13, 14 units here.
What?
I think these people are mad that he's recording for some reason.
Okay.
Which one called and said there's a gun?
None of them are saying it.
Hey, find out who it was because there needs to be some problems. There's going to be some problems.
It wasn't me. No. Okay. Well, we're going to have to figure that out. I thought he said the guy with the beard. That's fine. We'll call this guy. I have no reason to go anywhere.
No, they called him that guy. What female is calling? We need to speak to her right now because she lied to us, and that's a big issue. So find out what female inside your guys' business called us here for this kind of response. So we'll go inside and find out. Because it's ridiculous. Who called the police and said someone had a gun?
I called the police and said it looked like he had something that looked like a
Okay,
gun.
well, we need you to come outside and talk to us.
Okay.
Because no one said, everyone out here is saying that nobody said he had a gun, and that's a very serious accusation.
I know. It looked like he had a gun in his back pocket. That's why I was terrified when I called.
Someone said he has a gun.
I said, it looks like he has a gun in his back pocket. They said, where is it? I said, it looks like it's in his back pocket. And they said, what color is it?
But
And I said,
why are we
black.
calling in the first place? Because he says he's just out here recording. So what's the issue?
What do you mean, what's the issue?
So how did this whole thing present itself that we're calling the police to say someone has a gun who has no gun?
He's been out here. He was taking video and pictures of the school kids.
Okay.
And then my owner went out and he started trying to incite the owner.
Mm-hmm.
And then our other gentleman went out with him, Shamir. And so I brought my dog out here to go pee, and the man turned around and I saw something in his back pocket. And it scared the hell out of me, and I came in right away and I called the police. I said, it looks like he has a weapon in his back pocket. The man said he said, it looked like he had something in his back.
So then he's got a I don't know what these people.
I said it looked like he had a gun. I don't know for a fact he had a gun. Correct.
Control 5671.
But when I saw it looked like he had something in his back pocket, that terrified me. I will, to the office. I can give you my name and my number. B-A-R-B-A-G-E-L-A-T-A.
Control 5671. Do you have the female's name by any chance who called?
Exactly. Date of birth 3/17/64.
Copy, thank
Does
you.
he have a weapon?
Man, my problem too with this whole situation is if you're the one calling is why are you hanging up on our call takers?
I was coming out here to see what was going on.
Okay, ma'am, everything, I understand if you thought he had a weapon, I'm fine with that. But what you did if because he doesn't have a weapon at all.
Oh, thank God. Okay.
No, it's not, you cannot generate a response like that and hang up on our call takers. It's so far from okay. It's just ridiculous. If you were that scared, why would you keep coming back outside?
I didn't come outside. I came to the
Okay.
door to watch what was
You
going
stay on
on.
the phone with our call takers if you call 911. This response that you got today is ginormous for a guy who's just recording people and trying to get under people's skin.
Is that what he's doing?
I don't know. I wasn't here, but that's exactly what it seems like. And to call like that and hang up on our call takers, it's a big deal,
Well,
and it's
I'm
a big
very
issue.
sorry.
It's
I didn't mean
you
it.
don't get
It
to hang
looked
up.
like he had
People don't call our call takers and get to hang up like that. Their job is to give us updates so
Right.
people don't get hurt.
Right. I just told them, please get someone out here immediately. It looks
Ma'am,
like
we
he
read
has-
what you guys told them, and it
Okay.
wasn't that. You said, yes, he has a gun, and he
No.
has a gun. Yes, he does, and he placed it in his bag. I just saw him place it in his
I
bag.
did not say any of
Can
that.
can I just add something real
Sure.
None of that.
So since he started out here, we've been getting phone calls nonstop in here, and death threats and everything else, nonstop.
Nonstop.
So I don't know. I
Probably
can't say that
600
they
calls.
are, but I'm just saying maybe someone from whatever he's affiliated with, maybe they're calling and agitating as well. I don't know.
That's fine. My point is to say yes, I see a gun is a big deal.
I did
No,
not
we
say that.
understand
Because there's a
that, but I'm
school
just-
right there.
I'm just adding that to it because I don't know if it
Okay.
would be the case or not.
Sounds good. Thank you. Here, Garcia, let's go. It is what Minkle. It is what it is at this point. So I mean, I don't think we need anything else right now. Control 56M1. Does that Charles 3 unit need a fill? Copy. Just advise if you need more units over there.
They're kind of raging on the radio.
I have returns on Barbara meeting.
Remember, 56M1 copy. Just copy.
A call from buyers right here.
Just because there's so many things going on, right?
Yeah.
She doesn't know who's copying what.
Okay.
Contact over.
It only works for the DA.
You can go off.
They have
Silver, you guys good?
Well, whose call is this?
Yours?
Negative. What district is it?
Paul or Charles? What do you need seriously? It's not ours, but what do we need over here? Because it's a big nothing.
Well, he wants to press charges for this guy vandalizing his camera.
Broke my camera. My camera's supposed to be right here.
So whose beat is
It's
it?
in the bushes over there right now.
I don't know.
Can you go figure that out with whoever's on your team?
No one's on my team. Can you call? Is this Lincoln 3?
yeah.
Sure, I get it. So you said you threw the camera immediately on the ground? In the bushes or in the grass?
He grabbed it like this. And, oh well.
Don't worry about it. We'll take care of it. So you don't even get the statement. Just let us re-get the statement. It's not a big deal.
I'm getting a statement right now.
Where's the other piece at?
If you want to do that,
Where's
that's
the
fine.
part that's broken?
He says his camera got broken.
You can see, but there should be a camera right here.
Let me get these guys taken care of. You're good. I know it's not your beat. I'm just giving you a hard time. We'll take care of it.
In the
Here's
bushes
his,
over there, so he
info.
grabbed it like this.
Don't worry about it.
This is against the wall.
Yeah, against that wall. He grabbed it like this.
How's it over there? Here it goes. There.
Where's the piece? Because we're gonna have to photograph it.
There should be a black
This is.
camera.
He threw it over there. I don't want to go on their property, so I didn't retrieve it.
I will go look.
But it's a black Sony camera.
You go get rid of this. You said who's Lincoln 3?
Vega.
Who's that?
You're
Is that a
asking too many
recruit?
questions today. No, he's over there.
Can I get my
He's.
bag back?
Let me see. He's right there. Come walk in towards us. Yeah, yeah. So what's up with the bag?
We just separated from because there was a report of a gun. Pat searched and we haven't searched the bag. We didn't have PC for it.
Okay. Just put it on the car for now. And just the gist is what you told me over there.
Yeah, he said he's here for like an hour recording this business for whatever reason. Guy came out, didn't like it, confronted him, told him to stop. He said no. So then dude snatches his camera off his tripod, breaks the mount, and he wants to press charges for vandalism. He says 211, but I'm like,
Yeah,
no,
no.
that's 211.
I mean, I don't know if you know what 211 is, but
Still interviewing him, but
okay, but nothing other than
He
that.
didn't say anything about any threats or any force.
Okay, I'll relay it. You're good. What? No, leave it. So much, like so extra.
The bush is lying somewhere in there. It might have even went over the wall. I'm pretty sure it landed in the bush.
Okay. This is this dude's info, I guess.
So what happened?
I'm on. Yeah, me too.
Whole story about this. Is that the guy?
What are we looking for?
It's a camera. It's supposed to be like 6 by 2 inches. This is bigger than our body worn camera is. I guess the guy
He
broke
had
it
it
off.
in his, like, similar to where he had that.
Yeah, he said it's bigger than that. He said the guy broke it off and threw it in this direction. He didn't want to come look for it because he didn't want to go onto their property.
Is it that Sony one?
Did I? Oh. Hold on.
Yeah, I can't hold on.
What do you need?
Excuse me, sir? What was the brand?
Sony?
Okay.
You want to go over there and see if that's it?
Your bags are there. They'll take care of that. Okay.
Yes, you can go tell if that's it or not.
And then if we could just take one from, this side, and then let's take one from the sidewalk too, just to show how far it's from. Yeah, wherever they can see it.
I think you can see it here.
Hold on. And you want one from over here?
Yeah, like an overview maybe.
There you go. That's the camera. Perfect.
That's, wait, let me.
Yeah, that's it.
I doubt there's too many cameras back there.
Oh, jeez. Yeah. Here, I'm sorry. Let's go back over the car. I missed what was going on. Just curious what you're working on.
I was checking out this thing.